I'll be showing today a video how to power your phone on if your power button is broken. I'll show you. It's really easy steps. You don't have to spend any money at all. So first step you need is a computer, a USB, and a phone, of course. I have a Galaxy S2 and the power button got messed up and doesn't turn on, and I was really frustrated, and I went to get the photos out, at least the photos. So what I did, I just got it on, and then I found out there's a app that you can just it's a motion app, so it's gravity screen called. So when you put your hand like that, it turns on by itself. I'll show you in the video, next video I'll be showing. But today, in this video, I'll be showing how to turn it on, just to turn it on. Okay, so you plug the USB in the port, and then you press the volume button up. Oh, 1 second. Press it up. And you get the screen, warning screen. That means you're pretty close to turn on. So you press the volume down now to cancel reset phone. So what it does is just resets the phone, and there you go. See, it turns on. Pretty cool, huh? No money at all need to be spent. See, works the same as everything works on it. So, in the next video, I'll be showing you how to put the gravity screen in it, so you don't have to even the power button. If it doesn't work, you don't even need it. Just it's by motion. It will turn on by no motion. So it's a really good, cool app. I'll be showing in the next video. So guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And be happy with your power button. That if it doesn't work, still you can turn it on. Alright, thank you guys.